Shut up and sit down.
This is the harness cable, the original one basically we removed, and we tested actually which connector, which cable will go where, because it has a two connector which goes upper and the other is a dipper basically. So and the LED headlight has only one single connector. In that case definitely we have to remove the original cable and build new cable which will be connected to the LED headlight.
Shut up and sit down.
And here you can see the actual cable basically, the two separate wire which are going for the hollow ring, white, and one is for the orange, and this is the green collector which connector, and further we have connector extension. This is the cable green one which we have built ourselves.
Shut up and sit down.
And here we open the fuse box actually to check the ground wire basically, and for main purpose is to check the ground wire for the side indicator, because we decided to connect the umber hollow ring basically. Whenever I'll do left and right side indicator, the hollow ring will also blink at the same time. So this is the way we checked. Here we extended the switch cable basically because the wire was short, and we are not able to put the switch till near to the close to the handlebar, close to my thumb, the grip basically. So we extended the cable, and this is how we insulated the cable actually, and we were able to install basically after extending the cable further.
sit down.
Here you can see the small switch. Basically this switch is for to changing the light from the hollowing light, basically from orange to white. Whenever I want to use as an indicator, I can switch to the orange light which will keep blinking whenever I'll start my indicator left to right.
थोड़ा पानी ला रहे मिस्टर जी।
Romantic, isn't it? Shut up and sit down.
ओके, कितना महीना हो गया? एंगल का भी हो गया, लीक हो गया था। आपका हो गया 3000 फीट।